Class 8th, Subject English, Topic Kinds of Noun. Dear students, today all of us will read about kinds of noun. Topic Kinds of Noun. There are 5 kinds of noun in English. Listen to me carefully. There are 5 kinds of noun in English. Number 1, proper noun, व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा, a noun which expresses the name of a definite or particular person, place or thing is called proper noun. Listen to me carefully. A noun which expresses the name of a definite or particular person, place or thing is called proper noun. Example: Ram, Sita, Mohan, Radha, Agra, Jhansi. Another example: the Ganga is a holy river. Delhi is the capital of India. In this sentence, the Ganga and Delhi are proper nouns. Delhi proper noun, Ganga proper noun. Note: a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Listen to me carefully. A proper noun always begins with a capital noun. For example, we write Ram, the first letter of Ram, capital letter. Second number, common noun. Common noun, a noun which expresses the name of a person, place or thing of the same kind or class is called common noun. Listen to me. A noun which expresses the name of a person, place or thing of the same kind or class is called common noun. Example: boy, cow, girl, chair, man, river. These are common nouns. For example, dog is a faithful animal. In this sentence, dog common noun. The cow is a useful animal. In this sentence, cow is common noun. But Nandini cow, Nandini is proper noun and cow is common noun. Dog common noun, cow common noun. Number 3, collective noun. कलेक्टिव नाउन बना है कलेक्शन से. कलेक्टिव नाउन समूहवाचक संज्ञा. ए नाउन विच एक्सप्रेसेस द नेम ऑफ ए कलेक्शन और ग्रुप ऑफ persons, places or things is called collective noun. Listen to me carefully. Collective noun समूहवाचक संज्ञा. A noun which expresses the name of a collection means समूह और group of persons व्यक्तियों का समूह, places स्थानों का समूह और things वस्तुओं का समूह इज कॉल्ड कलेक्टिव नाउन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टीम, टीम इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ प्लेयर्स। क्लास, आर्मी, आर्मी इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ सोल्जर्स। फैमिली, लाइब्रेरी, library is the collection of books. A bunch of keys has been lost. Bunch, bunch means गुच्छा, keys चाबियों का। A bunch of keys has been lost. The jury, jury is the collection of judges. The jury found the jailer guilty. Our team won the match. Team is the collection of players. I am proud of Indian Army. Army is the collection of soldiers. So, bunch, jury, team and army, these are collective nouns. These are collective nouns. Understand? Number 4. Material noun. Material noun. material noun. Material noun. धातुवाचक संज्ञा या पदार्थवाचक संज्ञा। A noun which expresses the name of a matter or substance of which the things are made is called material noun. Listen to me. Material noun. A noun which expresses the name of a matter. वह संज्ञा जो किसी पदार्थ के बारे में एक्सप्रेस करती है और सबस्टेंस ऑफ विच द थिंग्स आर मेड इज कॉल्ड मटेरियल नाउन। ऐसी संज्ञाएं जिनसे कोई दूसरी वस्तु बनाई जाती है उन्हें पदार्थवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मिल्क, वी कैन मेक घी फ्रॉम मिल्क। गोल्ड, वुड, सैंड, डायमंड। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई रिंग इज मेड ऑफ गोल्ड। माई रिंग इज मेड ऑफ गोल्ड। द मग इज मेड ऑफ प्लास्टिक। यू नो दैट मग इज मेड ऑफ प्लास्टिक। द चेयर is made of wood. The chair in which we sit is made of wood. Wood means lakdi. So, gold is material noun, plastic is material noun and wood is material noun. Number 5. Abstract noun. abstract, abstract noun means भाववाचक संज्ञा। A noun which expresses the name of a quality, action, feeling or state is called abstract noun. Listen to me. Abstract noun, भाववाचक संज्ञा। A noun which expresses the name of a quality, action, feeling or state is called abstract noun. For example, kindness, dayaluta. Kindness is abstract noun because we cannot see kindness, we cannot touch. Childhood, childhood means बचपन। Friendship, मित्रता, ट्रुथ, सत्य, ब्यूटी, दीज आर abstract nouns. Another example, death comes to all. मृत्यु सभी की आती है. So in this sentence, death is abstract noun. Truth wins in the end. सत्य की बाद में जीत होती है. In this sentence, truth is abstract noun. Laughter is the बेस्ट मेडिसन. लाफ्टर, हंसना, एक सबसे अच्छी दवा होती है. हंसना सबसे अच्छी दवा है. सो इन दिस सेंटेंस, लाफ्टर इज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. ऑनेस्टी मीन्स ईमानदारी. ईमानदारी एक सच्ची नीति है. We cannot see honesty, but we can feel honesty. So, death, truth, laughter, honesty, all these nouns are abstract nouns. Understand, students? These 5 kinds of noun you will write in your copy and notebook and learn these kinds of nouns.